Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a Dyson expert, and today I'm going to answer the question, how can I get the most out of my Dyson purifier? So the first thing that you should do is you should register for your 2-year warranty. It only takes a few minutes to fill out and it can be done through dyson.ie. The next thing that you should do is download the Dyson Link app, which is just that one there, and connect it to your purifier. And this means that you can control and monitor your machine from anywhere, and you can monitor the air quality over time as well. The next thing that you should do to get the most out of your machine is familiarize yourself with the auto mode. So the auto mode is just that button there on the remote, and this just means that it will sense and react whenever the air quality decreases. The last thing you should do is keep an eye on the filter life. So the filters do need to be changed depending on how much you use your machine. But if you keep an eye on your filter life, then you'll know when it needs to be changed. So your filter life can be checked through the LED screen on the front of your purifier by just clicking the I button, or it can be checked from the Dyson Link app as well. If you have any other questions about any of this, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert. Or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag #AskADysonExpert.